Hey boys, here's a little snippet from the last storm we got. Lots of good snow now. Christ, will be sledding well into April with this amount of snow down on the ground right now. Anyway, looks like 5 more weeks to caveman weeks. Hard to believe it's coming up that quick. Should be a good time. Alright guys, later. I'm not sure how well you guys are going to be able to see this, but she is coming down something fierce. We're only supposed to get 5 centimeters overnight, and we've already got 15 down. City is shut down today. Should be an awesome day of sledding. Poor bugger across the street is trying to stay ahead of the snow with his plow. Man, she is coming down. It is wild out here. We have just about 60 centimeters of snow down right now, and it is still coming down like crazy. Looks like the snow is starting to lighten up just a little. But man, did we ever get one dumping of snow. When I last checked, there was about 55 centimeters down. Probably a little bit more since then. Pretty crazy. So I came outside to get a more accurate reading of how much snow has actually fallen, because I'm pretty sure a lot of it's just drifting up in the front step now. So anyway, I walked out into the middle of my driveway and took a measurement. 55 centimeters down. This is absolutely ridiculous. I'm going to be a while clearing this driveway. So here's our sidewalk. Just a mountain of snow. I expect the crews will be out tonight with the blowers and plows and to remove all the snow on the side of the sidewalks. You usually don't let that stay there for very long. Otherwise, people won't be able to use the parking meters. Wow, look how tall these things are. It's the tallest I've ever seen them. Crazy. Just a wall of snow. And here's City Hall.